Hello everybody, welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Right now in this video I want to show you our yellow loosestrife, or circle flower as some of you might know it. I said in a previous video that I was going to show you what it looks like when it blooms, and sure enough it has bloomed. So you can see these beautiful just layers of flowers that go throughout almost the entire plant. Just gorgeous yellow flowers here. These require, say, partial sunlight, partial shade, moderate watering. So I mean basically kind of like the same situation with like a phlox. If you have anything like that growing, you should be able to grow these yellow loosestrife as well. So we have that patch right here. Beautiful. This we got from a friend that it's been growing on their property for many years. And over here across the yard we have these ones as well. They're just starting to come out. As you can see, they start at the top. As far as what I've seen, they'll start at the top and then work their way down the stalk. But I just wanted to show you that since I know a lot of you were excited to see what it looks like when it blooms. So yeah, this is yellow loosestrife, or circle flower. Check it out. It's a great plant, very hardy, just an awesome perennial to have around the house. Before I go, I'll just do a quick scan of the garden to show you guys how everything is growing. Very nice. We got our astilbes, bugbanes, lady's mantle, bleeding hearts, some hostas. Again, our bloodroot back there. Very happy about those. Then we have our peonies and clematis. Clematis is doing quite well. And over in our flower garden here, our sage is doing great. All these flowers are doing good. A couple different sedums, some golden globes. And over here we have Asiatic lilies and tiger lilies. They're popping right up. We have the garden mums that were identified in a previous video, and all kinds of stuff out here on the patio as well. The sedum autumn joy is just about to bloom, and same with the sedum sarmentosum. There's a few blooms down there with that one. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great and wonderful gardening adventure.